You want cupcakes? You want cupcakes? You want cupcakes? You want brownies? You want cupcakes? You want brownies? Do you want cupcakes? You want brownies? Do you want cupcakes? Do you brownies?
Which one do you want, kitties? Well, why do you get into covers when I make the bed?
Do you want cookies? Do you want cookies? Do you want brownies? Do you want cat food? Do you want, what's that called?
Kibble?
No, it's like that stuff they love. It's like a treat for a cat, though.
I don't know. Listen to you.
Do you want to howl like a dog?
You can come out anytime, big boy.
I know.
Okay, that was fun.